Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Spice Kitchen. Today we are going to make rasmalai modak for this Ganesh puja. Hope this video will help you to make modak. So let's start the video. Take 200 grams malai paneer in a grinder and blend it very well. Then take half cup of milk powder and 4 tablespoons of sugar powder. You can add a pinch of rose petals and kesher for looking better and taste. Now mix all the ingredients properly. After that, add 1/4 cup of milk in it and mix it well until it turns into a batter. Here I am adding a pinch of yellow food color for attractive look. If it is not available in your home, you can skip this part. Now add some chopped dry fruits. Here I have used chopped pista 2 tablespoons and mix it well. Now turn on the gas and cook on low flame till mixture becomes dry. After the texture becomes thick, transfer it into a plate and add 1/4 tablespoon of rasmalai essence and mix it well. After that, take a modak maker. There put some dry fruits and rose petals and then put the mixture. After putting all the mixture in this modak maker, close it and press it gently for 1 minute to get it into properly. And now the modak is ready for puja. Yeah, here the modak. You can see that it's look very beautiful and proper size.